a lot of times, when someone is making that next step, or they're doing certain things in their lives, they say that there's two ways to learn. You can either learn through a mentor, or you can learn through mistakes.
Mhm.
For you to get to the level that where you are now as a leader, um, where do you feel the most of your learning came from? Did you have mentors, or were you one of those people that just messed up, and on a consistent basis, but at the same time you learned from those mistakes, so you knew exactly what not to do in certain situations? What do you say your teaching come from?
My teaching came more from my mistakes.
Hmm.
I initially I asked people for help and they were reluctant to help me.
Mm.
I'm not sure if it was because they thought I would be competition,
Mm.
but
Yeah.
I made a lot of mistakes and that's how I learned.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
And so you're not just a business owner. You're an entrepreneur, right?
correct.
That's that next level of owning a business. This is what you do. So I'm sure that you have met um, a lot of people who have, kind of, whether they realize it a lot, they kind of taught you some things. Not necessarily being your official mentor, but just learning from different people from all walks of life. What's been a valuable lesson that you've learned so far? And of course, every day as leaders, you're still learning. What has been a valuable lesson for you so far, that you've learned from the position that you're in and the people that you connect with now?
Well, I have two influential leaders that I look up to. Um, the first one is someone that I had the pleasure of working under, and I'm not even sure if she knows how special she is to me.
Mm.
Um, Her name is Patricia Edwards, and I loved how she led with love and concern. She was not pushy, but she was assertive, and followed the rules. She did the right thing. So if you broke the rules, she didn't overlook that. You were reprimanded, and I
Right.
and I appreciated that because that and she did it with love. I think that's the biggest thing that I'm trying to. That's the biggest thing that I took from her is doing things with love, and you can tell.
Right.
Um, Never trying to bend the rules or get around them. The other leader is my sorority's regional director, Carolyn Randolph. She also leads with love and concern and is very poised and loving, yet also stern and assertive.
Yeah.
I try to follow their lead. I learned from them that being honest and unapologetically yourself
Mm.
yields great results.